What's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be going over 5 positions that I'm looking to add to my portfolio in 2025 in order to continue to grow my net worth. And in no particular order, the first position that I'm going to be looking to continue to add in 2025 is Palantir. Now, if you're not familiar with Palantir, Palantir is a company that focuses on big data analytics. And most recently, they just signed a contract with the US government north of $600 million. And this was a company that I missed out on when it was under $10 a share, and I missed it again when it was trading in the 20s. And I was not able to get my initial purchase of Palantir until around $34 or $35 a share. And most recently, this stock has shot up and now is trading at around $80 a share. Now, this is a company that I think has a tremendous amount of potential to continue to move to the upside. So I'm going to make sure that I keep an eye on it and look for any potential pullbacks that we experience throughout 2025. Having an opportunity to add this position to my portfolio, especially at under $100 a share, I think gives me a tremendous amount of opportunity to explode my net worth in the future. Now, the next company that I'm going to be watching is Coinbase. So if you've been paying attention to the cryptocurrency space, then you know that Bitcoin recently surpassed $100,000 per coin. Now, over the past week or so, we have seen a pullback in that space and it dropped below $100,000. But I think the fact that it actually hit and surpassed 100,000 indicates that it is here to stay and is not going away. And Coinbase is an online cryptocurrency wallet where millions of users store their cryptocurrency every single day. Now, I'm not a big player in the crypto space. I have started to build out a small portfolio where I'm adding every single month to that portfolio. But as of right now, I am 95% in the stock market. But just because I don't have a big position in the cryptocurrency space doesn't mean that I can't take advantage of that space within the stock market, and that's where Coinbase comes into play. So this is a company that I'm going to be making sure that I keep an extremely close eye on, especially as more and more companies and countries start to accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment. As this continues to accelerate and take off, I think that Coinbase is well positioned to continue to move to the upside. Now, the next company that I'm going to be keeping an eye on is Palo Alto Networks. So I just talked about Coinbase and Palantir, and where Palo Alto comes into play is they are a leader in the cybersecurity space. And with more and more companies continuing to transition to more cloud-based services and online services in general, cybersecurity has never been more important. CrowdStrike is another cybersecurity company that I took a look at, but I decided to go with Palo Alto because it's trading at under $200 a share, which means it has some more room to move back up to the upside over $200 a share. So for this particular reason, I decided to go with Palo Alto, but either company would be a very strong candidate to add to your portfolio. Now, the fourth stock that I'm going to be watching in 2025 is Vanguard's VOO. So VOO is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 index, and it has the 500 largest companies within the US. Now, I've been investing in VOO for some time now, and the price for this particular ETF continues to move to the upside. Now, within the next 3 to 5 years, I predict that VOO will be trading in that $700 to $800 per share price range, which means that we have an opportunity to add this to our portfolio now, which will allow us to continue to build our net worth year after year. Now, the fifth company that I'm watching in 2025 is Alphabet, aka Google. Google has a large presence across many different spaces, and a lot of people don't realize some of the companies that Google actually owns. They own the Nest thermostat company. They own Waze, which a lot of people use whenever they're driving on freeway. They own YouTube. They own Google Chrome. And most recently, they have been pouring a tremendous amount of money into their AI functionality called Gemini. Now, this is a stock that was slowly moving to the upside for most of the year. And within the past 6 to 8 weeks, we started to see it get a little bit more momentum. And now it's trading right around that $200 a share mark right now. Now, as Google continues to grow and develop new technologies for its customer base, I think that it is poised to continue to move to the upside. So there's 5 stocks that I'm going to be looking to add to my portfolio in 2025 in order to continue to grow my net worth. Now, if you're interested in jumping into the Small Portfolio Builder Challenge, make sure you check out the next video.